It's day 14. It's around 5 o'clock in the morning. So I just got ready, okay, and now I'm ready to go for a walk. I'll just put on my shoes, and I've kept my phone for charging. Same as yesterday, I forgot to put my phone for charging. But the thing is, I have a backup. I did put my power bank for charging, so the issue of charging is resolved. So yeah, I'll so planning is to go somewhere. We'll see where the flow takes me to. Let's meet you on the road. Bye. So for this walk, I'll be listening to complete story of Israel and Palestine conflict. Okay, what is the actual reason for Israel and Palestine's the never-ending war? So I'll just learn the topics, the things that are to be memorized. I'll be memorizing, and certain concepts have to be revised too. So yeah. So completed 2 kilometers. There's a park right here. In Vijayanagara you can find so many parks. And the place is very congested. Though it's congested right now, like the vibe is only something else. It's comparatively more cleaner than other places of Bangalore. Okay. So completed 3 kilometers, I guess. So we'll have to go towards that side. Reached Arogya Saudha. Have to cover some more distance. Then I'll be turning back. We'll see what will happen. I don't know properly what I'll do. Reached Lulu Hypermart. Hypermart? It's not mart. It's smart. Yesterday, instead of taking this road, I guess it's day before yesterday, I went through the railway station to other side. The only downside of this area is vehicles come and we don't have a sort of, a footpath for this area. So that's the only downside of this. But no worries. People will get to know. And Daitya ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So yeah. Reached Sheshadripuram. Plan is to go to Bangalore Palace, but I don't know those guys will allow it or not. We'll see. The thing is, okay, I want to remove hatred from my mind. Okay, So if I have hatred towards someone, first I have to, so the way my thinking must be, first I have to know about them properly. So I have very bad impression on the Gandhi family. Which Gandhi family I'm talking about? I'm talking about Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajaji, Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi. All these people, I have very contrasting opinions about them. I don't know exactly what they are, who they are. So my knowledge must not be simply based on those reels and all. I want to know properly what is their contribution, the things people say about them, is it actually true or not. I don't want to blindly believe on the things, right? So yeah, so today I'll go, whenever I have some free time, I'll look into what did Rajiv Gandhi do, what did he provide for our society. So because they have made so many, sculptures of him, and an airport is named after him. That means he has done something very good. So I'll look into the things. I hope you, when you were small, okay, you used to watch this cartoon. I hope you people remember this. The OG Shinchan. Since this juice box had this picture of him, I thought of buying it. So the distance covered is 11 kilometers. Nearly 11 kilometers. It's 1091. I hope you people can see this. Hey. Near Guthalya, am I right? So plan is to go near Bangalore Palace, then I'll go through, I forgot the place now, I'll let you know afterwards. Now at present I am in Guthalli. Distance covered is 12 kilometers. I don't know where I have come. I thought I'm going to Bangalore Palace. It is taking me somewhere I'm not able to understand. I didn't get lost. I guess these guys won't allow us go to inside. I'll put a round and then go. So the opening time is from 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So I'll not be able to show you guys Bangalore Palace. But who cares, right? I just reached the entrance. That's the only thing. I've seen Bangalore Palace so many times. Okay. I just wanted to achieve that thing. I walked from Vijayanagar to Bangalore Palace. I'll put a roundabout and then go back. Plan is simple. I'll be going to Bayapnalli metro station right now. So from here, it's around 8 kilometers. I've already covered a distance of 13 kilometers, so if I add 8 to it will be around 21 kilometers. I guess that's enough for today. Sampangi Rama. beautiful this house is, bro. Okay. One day I'll build the same type of house for my parents to live in. Okay. Boys, you want to see a jet? Quick. So this park that I have come, I didn't plan to come here, but I saw a jet. I thought I'll just see and go. The name of this park is Indira Gandhi Musical Fountain Park something. Oh, the trees are so beautiful here. Okay. Is it not beautiful, boss? I had never come to these places and all, okay? Since I started walking, I started, exploring new places. To me, okay, for some people it's not new. To me it's very new. And the beauty of this park, bro. Chummeshwar it is, Chummeshwar. So, yeah, it's the Indira Gandhi Musical Fountain. The one that you see in front of, right? It's Jawaharlal Nehru. It's not Jawaharlal. It's Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. I'll go there one day. The next time I come to Bangalore, I'll be going to Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. I'll be making some vlogs in that. So, as you guys can see, it's 14.94 kilometers. Okay. So, I'll take some rest. Bath. Okay. So, I hope you people can see the MiG 21, I guess. These places I haven't come before, okay? How beautiful this area is, how clean it is. I was living in that bubble near Yelahanka, okay, where nothing is there. It is the place where our college is located is basically outskirts of Bangalore, alright? So, though I was living in Bangalore for 4 years, I hadn't come here once. I regret, bro. Okay. In coming days when I'll be coming back to Bangalore, I'll be exploring Bangalore, okay? I'll be exploring it. I'll be posting the videos too. Yeah. Let's meet you near Bayapnalli metro station itself. I'll not record now. If I find something beautiful that it's beautiful enough to show to you people, then I'll show you guys. So, I've come in front of Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw parade ground. Bro, you have to see his movie, bro, Sam Manekshaw's. It's so beautiful, alright. I should stop using alright all the time. I know that. Ayyo Rama. Adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರೆ ಎಂತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸಾರ್. I changed my decision to go to Bayapnalli. Instead of going to Bayapnalli, I came to Trinity. From Trinity, I'll turn back to Vijayanagara. I'll have to go to Decathlon to buy some clothes, I said. Wow, I took some mangoes. Okay. I'll eat it on the way.
Kempegowda Station, Majestic.
Reno Eager.
Reached back home. Completed around 23 kilometers. Okay. So now I'll take some rest. Yep. This is the food I'm eating right now, along with watching some Prakhar Gupta and Ravi Gupta's podcast. I have potatoes, bhaji, along with 5 chapatis and some rice with it, alright. And I have one water also with ice, called ice cubes. Oh yeah! Bye bye, let's meet you afterwards. Bye now. ವಿಷ್ಣುವರ್ಧನ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ ನೀವು? ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮೂವಿಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಹಳೇ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡೋ. Have to wait for, I guess, 2 more hours. Okay, 6:50. The train comes at 6:50, I guess. Just look into it. I'm back home. I was editing day 14 and this is my brother. Yeah. So I was editing day 14. So yeah, I thought I was not able to record in the train that much. So I just ended at the halfway in between so that you people can understand it. That it's not day 14, it has come to day 15. So yeah, I'll just end the clip. So this is the last clip that I will upload with my other clips and make a collage and make a full big video. So yeah, let's meet you on day 15. So that's it for today. Bye bye.
7